In this video, you will learn how to explain the meaning of the expansion of two algebraic expressions, expand two algebraic expressions, and solve problems involving expansion of two algebraic expressions. In primary school, you learned already how to count the area of square and rectangle, right? Okay, so today we just do revision. We want to calculate the area of blue square and green rectangle. Okay, so now we use the method 1. The method 1 is we count it separately. So for square, the area is 6 times 6. The area of rectangle is 6 times 2. So 36 plus 12 equals 48 centimeter square. Now, we try to use method 2 to count the area of square and rectangle, which is we join the square with the rectangle. So this side is still the same, 6 centimeter. This side, 6 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. So 6 times 6 plus 2. Okay, so now if you expand the bracket, 6 times 6 plus 6 times 2 equals 6 times 6 plus 6 times 2. 36 plus 12 equals 48 centimeter square. So you can obtain the same answer by using method 1 and 2. Now we look at this diagram. Based on the diagram below, calculate the area of the rectangle ABCD. Okay, so how to count this rectangle? Actually, we can use either method 1 or method 2 to solve it. Okay, if we use method 1, we count separately. Means we count the area of square plus the area of rectangle. So S times S plus the rectangle is S times 3. So equals S squared plus 3S. The unit is centimeter square. Okay, now we try use method 2 to find the area of the rectangle ABCD. Okay, so the length is 8 centimeter. The width is S plus 3 centimeter. So S times S plus 3. Actually, this method we call it as expansion. Okay, so S times S equals S squared. S times 3 equals 3S. So the answer is S squared plus 3S centimeter square. Example 1. Expand the following expression. A. 6 times 3 plus 4W. So 6 times 3, we write like this, plus 6 times 4W. So Okay, so 6 times 3, 18, plus 6 times 4w is 24w. Okay, or you can do like this, 6 times 3 plus 4w. 6 times 3, you just straight away count. 6 times 3 equals what? 18, right? Okay, after that, 6 times positive 4w is positive 24w. Okay, so now B. 3r times r minus 2s. Okay, B. If I multiply it straight away is 3r times r equals 3r squared. 3r times negative 2s is negative 6rs. Okay, we try question C. Negative 5b times a plus 3. So we try to count it straight away. Okay, negative 5b times a is negative 5ab. Negative 5b times 3 is negative times positive is negative. So we put negative, and 5 times 3 is 15, and B just follow. Okay, so now we try to answer D. Negative 2y over 3 times 9y minus 3z plus 6s. Okay, for this one, I better show you the longer way. So here, negative 2y over 3 times 9y. So, negative 2y over 3 times 9y. Okay, so next one is negative 2y over 3 times negative 3z. So you know negative times negative is positive. And we have 2y over 3 times 3z plus so we write as negative 2y over 3 times negative 3z. The next one is negative 2y over 3 times 6s. Okay, we simplify it. 3 and 9 is 3. Because 9 divided by 3 is equals 3. Okay, so negative 2 times 3 is equals negative 6. And y times y equals y squared. Okay, here 3 we simplify it, and negative times the negative equals positive, and 2y times z equals 2yz. So it's positive 2y. y, z. Okay, here, the last one, we simplify it. Okay, so negative 2y times 2s. So, plus negative 4sy. Negative 6y squared plus 2yz plus minus change to minus and write down for sy. Example 2. Expand each of the following expression. A. Y plus 1 times y minus 3. So how to expand? Normally we will do like this. Y times y equals y squared. Okay. Y times negative 3 equals negative 3y. After multiplied by y, now 1 times y equals y. So it's positive, right? So you plus y. 1 times negative 3 is equals negative 3. So we add the like terms here. So equals y squared. Negative 3y plus y equals negative 2y. And negative 3 you just copy down. Okay, we try to answer B. 4 plus 3r times 2 plus r. Okay. First, 4 must multiply 2 and 4 must multiply r. So 4 multiply 2 equals 8. 4 multiply r equals 4r. Okay, so now the next is 3r times 2. And also 3r times r. 3r times 2 equals positive 6r. And 3r times r equals positive 3r squared. 4r plus 6r equals 10r. So if I write it down, 8 plus 10r plus 3r squared. You also can write in general form, means square you write first, followed by the variable and number. 3r squared plus 10r plus 8. C. 3r plus 4s times r minus 2s. Okay, now, still remember how to do it? First, 3r must multiply r, and also 3r must multiply negative 2s. So 3r times r equals 3r squared. 3r times negative 2s, positive times negative equals negative, right? So you put negative, and 3 times 2 is 6. R times S is RS. For S times R and for S times negative 2S. Okay, so now 4S times R equals positive 4RS. And positive 4S times negative 2S equals negative 8S squared. Okay, we have like term again right here. Negative 6RS plus 4RS. So 3R squared, negative 6RS plus 4RS is equals negative 2RS. Then negative 8S squared, you just copy down. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, now we try to answer question D. 3p plus 2 squared. Okay, 3p plus 2 squared means 3p plus 2 times 3p plus 2. Okay, so now 3p times 3p and also 3p times 2. 3p times 3p equals 9p squared. 3p times 2 equals 6p. After we settle 3p, now 2. So 2 times 3p and also 2 times 2. So 2 times 3p equals 6p. And 2 times 2 is positive 4. So equals 9p squared. 6p plus 6p is 12p plus 4. The question for example 3 actually is combined operation for algebraic terms. So when you answer this question, you must follow the board math. What is board math? Okay, first you must solve the bracket first. First you must solve the bracket and followed by division and multiplication. Follow the order. If division comes first, then you do the division. If multiplication comes first, you do the multiplication. And last one, only addition and subtraction. Okay, let us do question A. 3w minus 2, 4w minus 1 minus 10w. Okay, so first 3w times 4w and also 3w times negative 1. Because we need to solve the bracket first, right? Okay, so 3w times 4w equals 12w squared. And 3w times negative 1 is negative 3w. After that, negative 2 times 4w is equals negative 8w. And negative 2 times negative 1 equals positive 2. And don't forget, copy down the minus 10W. Now we can see negative 3W, negative 8W, and negative 10W are like terms. Okay, only like terms can be solved. 12W squared. So negative 3W minus 8, negative 3W minus 8W minus 10W equals negative 21W. Plus 2, we just copy down because cannot be solved already. So the answer is 12W squared minus 21W plus 2. Okay, now we try to answer B. R minus 3T squared plus 4RT. So we still solve the bracket first, right? So still remember, if square, what is the meaning of square? Means R minus 3T times R minus 3T. Same thing multiplied 2 times. Okay, here, copy down 4RT. We start with R times R. So equals R squared. R also times negative 3T equals negative 3RT. Negative 3T times R equals negative 3RT. Negative 3T times negative 3T, you know, negative times negative is positive. So plus 9T squared. And copy down the 4RT. Okay, now we can solve the like terms. Now we can solve the like terms. Where is the like terms? Negative 3RT, negative 3RT, and positive 4RT. So negative 3RT minus 3RT, negative 6RT, plus 4RT is negative 2RT. So the other we just copy down R squared minus 2RT plus 9T squared. Okay, C, S plus Y, S minus Y plus S times S minus 2Y. Okay, we solve the bracket here. Follow the order here first, right? So S times S equals S squared. S times negative Y minus SY. Y times S is positive, right? So positive SY. Y times negative Y. Positive times negative equals negative. So negative Y squared. Plus, okay, the next one also we expand. Okay, S times S equals S squared. s times negative 2y, positive times negative equals negative. So we have 2sy. Okay, after we open the bracket, now we need to find the like terms. Okay, negative sy, sy, and also negative 2sy. And we also have like terms s squared, right? So s squared plus s squared equals 2s squared. Okay, and negative sy plus sy minus 2sy is, negative sy plus sy equals 0. And we have another negative sy here, so I just write down negative sy. Okay, how about y? You just copy it down. So minus y squared. Okay,